Outside the late Vuma's homestead, morning. The sun is rising. Birds are singing, but the air is still heavy with sorrow. Nyosi walks alone, troubled by the words she overheard last night. Her face shows deep concern. Nyosi, speaking to herself, conflicted. From the beginning, I suspected that Kwazi, Vuma's sister, was involved in her death. I must tell the family. Maybe then everyone will agree the children belong with my husband Mbiza. It's risky, but this is the only way to end the conflict over Vuma's property. Nyosi later tells her husband Mbiza about what she heard. They both agree to inform the head of the family before the larger gathering. The family elder listens carefully, visibly disturbed. Elder with concern. This is dangerous knowledge. You must not reveal who heard it. For the children's and everyone's safety, keep it secret. They all agree. Kwazi's house, morning. Kwazi, Vuma's sister, is dressed in mourning clothes. Zanele warns her. Zanele, firmly, you must act like you're grieving. Be careful with your words. Don't mention Vuma the way we spoke of her last night. We don't know if someone was listening. Kwazi, clenching her fists angrily. I know, but I will not be defeated by Mbiza and the rest of them. Family council later that day. The family meets again. The elder speaks. Elder, we heard Vuma's final words. After discussing this morning, we've decided the children will be raised by Mbiza and his wife Nyosi. They have shown love and care, and this is what Vuma would have wanted. Kwazi, furious, pointing at Mbiza. Silence. You've made a terrible mistake. She storms out, rage burning in her eyes. Elder to Mbiza. Take care of the children. Protect them. Kwazi is not happy with this decision. Be cautious, Kwazi's house that night. Kwazi and Zanele meet again. Zanele gives her a small dark bottle. Zanele, here. If things become impossible, use this. No one will stand against you once your enemy is gone. Kwazi, smiling darkly. If they try to take everything from me, they will regret it. This is my final weapon. Zanele. Friend, if Mbiza is gone, Vuma and Kwazi's wealth will be in your hands. Kwazi, nodding, satisfied. Yes, so it shall be. They clap hands in agreement, smiling. Mbiza's house that night. Mbiza. Thank you, my love, for welcoming Vuma's children with warmth. Nyosi. They are innocent. They've lost enough already. They continue talking. Nyosi goes to bring drinks. Kitchen. Nyosi finds Rose and Themba, Vuma's children, with her own children, Linda, Sarah, and young Mbizo, eating happily. Nyosi, angrily. Rose, Themba, who allowed you to eat before everyone else? Do you want to die from food like your mother? Your manners will kill you. She stops suddenly, hearing footsteps approaching. Dear listener, Vuma's children suffer and not even a week has passed. With Nyosi showing her darker side, the mystery deepens. Who overheard her? To be continued. YOMELWA MBANI INTANDANE.